हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ रियांशिका वर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं किड्स जॉय। आज हम सीखेंगे एनिमल्स एंड देयर यंग वन। किटन इज अ बेबी ऑफ कैट। काउ calf is a baby of cow. Cub is a baby of bear. Fawn is a baby of deer. Puppy is a baby of dog. Foal is a baby of donkey. Elephant calf is a baby of elephant. Fox cub is a baby of fox. Tadpole is a baby of frog. Caterpillar is a baby of butterfly. Camel calf is a baby of camel. Cub is a baby of cheetah. Hatchling is a baby of crocodile. Lamb is a baby of sheep. Kid is a baby of goat. Lion cub is a baby of lion. Piglet is a baby of pig. Panda cub is a baby of panda. Leopard cub is a baby of leopard. Infant is a baby of monkey. Duckling is a baby of duck. Tiger cub is a baby of tiger. Bunny is a baby of rabbit. Calf is a baby of giraffe. Joy is a baby of kangaroo. Quail is a baby of zebra. Fry is a baby of fish. Wolf cub is a baby of wolf. Antelope calf is a baby of antelope. Chick is a baby of hen. Infant is a baby of gorilla. Eaglet is a baby of eagle. Pup is a baby of rat. Reindeer calf is a baby of reindeer. Snakelet is a baby of snake. Spiderling is a baby of spider. Chick is a baby of penguin. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज इसे लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।